I woke up and I'm about to do my workout routine and feed my dogs to get ready for work in a couple hours, but stay tuned.
Do you want to go outside? Oh, you want to? You want to go? Okay. All right.
Guys, I would just like to show you the reality of having two very big fluffy dogs, what it does to your carpet. I just put my hair up in a ponytail and got my work outfit on. I'm ready to go. Well, now that I'm done with my workout, I'm gonna go around and do a little bit of another workout. Get all this hair off the floor and pick up a little bit before Josh gets home for lunch. This is where the workout happens. Alright, well, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go eat some breakfast and get ready for work. Bye. So Josh surprised me with a little IHOP date, so that's where we are now.
Gonna walk at work. Walk at Michael's. Come on, bud. Let's go home. Let's go home. Come on, bud. Let's go home, bud. Good boy. Hey, good buddy.
Alright people, I'm back at home, got off work, got some Valentine's stuff for the house. Now I'm going to be making chicken parmesan, so stay tuned for that recipe. Okay, so I am just gonna take the shake and bake parmesan crusted breadcrumbs, and I'm going to shake about 5 to 6 pieces of small to medium chicken breast, and then I'm gonna preheat my oven for 400 degrees and put that in the oven to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, give or take your size of chicken. And then I'm just gonna boil some water, and I like angel hair pasta, but you can use regular pasta. I'm just gonna let that cook. After about 6 minutes, it should be getting pretty soft. So I'm just gonna check my chicken. Yes, I took the chicken out and the chicken's done. So I'm gonna take my marinara sauce and I'm going to just pour that all over very evenly onto the chicken. Alright, and then I'm just going to take a wooden spoon and kind of even it out. I want all of the chicken to be covered. While the chicken was cooking, I was cooking my pasta, so I'm just going to drain that. My husband actually is doing this for me because it is pretty hot. He's looking at me like, why are you filming me? And then I'm going to take my provolone cheese, just one package, and I'm going to cover all of the chicken with the provolone, stick it back in the oven for about 5 more minutes. You can do 3 minutes if you want, just until the cheese is melted. I'm going to do 5 here. And then I just like to clean up my kitchen a little bit, clean up my mess while everything's cooking. That way, after when everything gets done, I can just relax and I don't have to worry about the mess. I'm just gonna check on the chicken. It looks done. Cheese is melted. So I'm gonna take it out of the oven. It's super hot. And voila, that's chicken parmesan. It's very quick and easy, and it is delicious. If you want to use mozzarella, you can substitute it for the provolone, but I myself prefer provolone. And I'm just gonna make a plate for my husband now. Kind of struggling with that cheese, but you can always just move it to however you need it. I like my food to look as appetizing as it tastes. We're going to be eating in the living room because the table has my sister's paint stuff all over it. I neglected to bring him utensils, so he was looking at me like, babe, how am I supposed to eat this? Alright guys, this is the end of the night for us. We're gonna watch The Office and have some wine. And what kind of wine do you have, babe?
Really dry wine.
He has a black, and I have a Moscato. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I'm a YouTuber, and I would love to hear from you, so please put your comments and suggestions down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!